Welcome to Azalea's YouTube channel, Baking. Today we're baking keto banana bread. First we're going to start with dry ingredients. We're going to use this bowl for the dry, and that's for the wet ingredients.
What are you doing?
Putting 1/3 cup of almond flour, coconut flour. We're going to use almond flour for 1/3 cup. 2/3 is 1/3, and you have put 2 cups. Next, we're going to use a tiny bit of salt.
How much salt?
We put 2 cups of salt.
2/4 teaspoon.
2/4
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
You already did 1. That's number 2.
Sweetener. We're going to have 1/2
cup
cup of sweet.
Can we see the bag? Erythritol. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
This is optional. You could use it if you want. You don't have to.
How much?
You use half of it.
1/2 teaspoon?
Yeah. Now we're going. Now we're going to mix it up perfectly. Now we use all the dry ingredients. We're going to use all the wet ingredients. We're going to put this on the side. Now we're going to use 6 eggs. This big bar is a half of butter. We're going to break it to part, and while it's melting, we're going put this in there, and then we put them together, and then while they're both waiting in there, we're going to smash the banana, and it's very ripe, and it's good making banana bread. Oh, okay. When this is finished, you need parents' supervision, because you have to pour the hot stuff in there, and I'm using my mom. So we're going to melt it, and then while we're doing that, we are going to have 2 cups of almond oil.
These are cups or tablespoons?
Tablespoons.
What kind of oil is that?
Almond oil.
No, coconut oil. Look
Coconut
at the photo.
oil.
Make sure you take out the excess. There you go.
Now that's ready. We're going to pour it in. You need supervision to hold it because it's very hot. I'm going to tell my mom's going to pour the oil in because it's very hot. So he's pouring it in for me.
One more.
We need one more teaspoon.
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
And Mommy put parchment paper.
We put parchment paper so it won't splash in this microwave. Now while we're waiting, we're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to smash a banana while is waiting. You're going to have a fork so you can put it in little squares. And then next, we're going to have your fork. Now you're going to smash it with the tippy top, rubbing it on the side. You have to make sure your no squares are already not smushed. You do this, sometimes it gets messy. This is finished. Now we're going to get the hot thing off, and we're going to pour this thing into the wet stuff. Someone has to hold it because when you hold it, it's always slippery. While we're finished with that, we're going to go. Now we're going to get. We're going to use these so we can mix this up, the wet stuff. Before we do it, we're going to put some of this. Be careful when you do it.
Hold on, let me see. You're going to do 1 teaspoon, which is 4 of those.
1, 2, 3.
One more.
When we're finished with vanilla extra, now we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to mix it up. Great texture. We're going to mixing it up.
What's your last ingredient?
Last ingredient is walnuts, and you put in you put 2/3.
1/3.
1/3 and then of walnuts, and then you put it in a plastic bag, and then I usually smash it with this little thing. or they might be dust of walnut. We stop when they're ready. We're going to pour it into the white mix, and then you're going to mix it again.
You're gonna fold it over?
Fold it each time.
We're gonna use parchment paper,
Okay.
right?
Right.
And a banana pan. I mean the bread pan.
And a bread. My mom's holding it, and I'm going to be pouring the mix into the bread mold. We're going to top it with more walnuts, but not crushed. We're going to use this hard spatula thing to spread it. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 50 minutes. I made this banana nut bread. Stay tuned for my next video, baking with Azalea.